a TG.
And shine here with another big bang. You, you, yeah, you. I don't mind, I don't mind, I don't mind.
So it's Shan without TG here with another big bang. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, what's up? So today I'm gonna take you guys with me on a little, I want to say, workout video. So quarantine and all of that got me all fat, so I started the gym about a month ago, on and off. I've been going, but there's good days, there's bad days. Anyways, today I'm taking you guys with me, show you a little bit of my workout, what I do. I do not have a trainer, guys, so I'm pretty much just winging it, doing it all on my own. Yeah, so show you a little bit of what I do. I probably won't get to video everything.
Another day, another weight loss. Let me see if I can deal with this here, man. Trust me, God no. Oh boy, life rough in man. 1, 2, 3, 4. No sir, it's heavier than I think. No. Girl, look good though. Yes, get in there. Yes, look at me. Mommy with a soap pro there, daughter. No sir, now do no more. Yes, feel like I lose 5 pounds on them. Try it again. Try this thing again. Try something new. Yes, we can do it. Feel like the world's strongest man. I mean woman, sorry, channel. Hold on, people are watch. So I'm gonna deal with something like that. Can't look at me, can manage this. Yes, we can manage this. Girl looks strong. Look at me. Yes. Flexible. Ozzy must like it. Ozzy must like this. Yes, look at me. All the way going still me feel cramping on my leg, Yes, thank God that done. Next set. Alright, come on, girl. You got this. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh God, the cramps. Oh God. Girl, I did abs and no. Yes, flat stomach feast summer. Boy, Trevor have nothing for me now. Work it. If you're a new starter, farm no look that bad still. Trying to them bicycle at 10 speed. Check it. Alright, sit down in a saddle. Hold on a minute, they drop off the backside. Yes. Ladies, perfect footing. That's the key to riding. But wait, someone did me know? Yeah, no one go too fast. Fish see me a burn out. You know what I mean there? Slow and steady. Yeah, like a speed. Can't look like me I eat it, Girl, no for ride. Ride it. Sit down. No man. After 2 good bungs, the knee them wear out. Every woman might know what I mean by that, Yes. Go on again. Can't give up. Watch sweat pan, girl. Watch it. No hands. Hold on, I'm gonna drop off. Hold on, hands again. That's it. I guess that's it for the day, guys. Yes, I really, oh God, try something else. Can't just leave the gym so quick. I'ma just reach, Bend your back, touch your toe. That's at 6:30. Lord God. Firm and strong. Yes. Watch girl, man. Foot punch shoulder, cause all of them something, I have good practice. Trust me. Me again with the open legs. Me really no want there, as I can see. But can't make the weight rule. Guys, fitness is the way out. I'm gonna try this again. Oh God, God, please, bigger strength. Watch a girl are gone now. You know, you're not nothing for me with the squat. No. Boom. 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 Yes. You know, girl need bun up now still, so I hate that still, you know? At least I'm bringing up on my journey. Yes. God, I made it. Thank you. I made it.